Hi, my name is Sam Robinson. I'm the marketing manager, and today we're here to talk about distribution partners.
Distribution partners and manufacturing locations.
All right.
Oh, hey. Hi, my name is AJ Nidek. I'm one of the sales leaders here at the TUTCO Heating Solutions Group. What we're talking about now is the fact that we have a total of 6 now global manufacturing locations in 4 different countries. Our home facility is in Cookeville, Tennessee.
Right.
We have another facility here in Asheville, North Carolina, where we're based today for farnam-custom products. Our Sure Heat group is out of Exeter, New Hampshire.
Right.
TUTCO is out of Montreal, Canada.
Yeah.
We have a manufacturing location in Reynosa, Mexico. And then we have a design and manufacturing location in Changshu, China. And we all work together under the same umbrella.
Right. It's a huge, huge advantage. And not a lot of our competitors, when I say.
Our competition just doesn't have that. They might have 1 or 2. And what this helps us to do that our competition just can't do is we can design the heater, let's say in Exeter, New Hampshire, and we might manufacture it in China. We can design it here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina, and we can make it in Reynosa. A lot of our competition has a partner facility somewhere, and that's not us. When we say it's our facility in Changshu, that's our facility. Same reporting structure, their paycheck, if you will, says TUTCO. These are our facilities.
So what are the advantages to having all of our businesses around the world like that?
Depending where your OEM is. So let's say you're out of Detroit, Michigan, you're an OEM, you're going to design some stuff, and you want to work with someone in your same time zone. We're working with you here in Asheville. We design it for you here. Your prototypes go back to Detroit, but your contract manufacturer is in Vietnam.
Sure.
Well, we'll manufacture for you at our China location. It can go right from China to Vietnam, and we're saving you money.
Right. That's amazing. Yeah, I'm newer to the HSG group, right? So I'm still learning how these things come together. But it's definitely advantageous to have us set up around the world like that.
It is, and it gives you basically have a backup supplier within the Heating Solutions Group. So if your primary supplier is in Cookeville, Tennessee, we're providing for everything out of there. Your backup might be Reynosa or vice versa. A lot of our customers think of us as 2 different companies, if you will. We're all the same. We have we as in Farnam here, and that's where we're obviously at here on the manufacturing floor. As Farnam, we have a lab equipment company in Europe. All small runs are provided from this location. All large runs, to be more economical, are made in China. So depending on the need of their dozen global locations, they choose where they order from, and it's priced appropriately.
Yeah. One of the things that's been very impressive for me being newer to the HSG group is how we're constantly meeting with all the different locations and collaborating with everybody.
Oh, it's who we are.
Yeah.
This is TUTCO. And when I say that, I kind of laugh as I did, because our TUTCO difference is our people. A lot of companies have a lot of good people, but that's great. Our people are better. And we work together all the time. Our North Carolina group and our China group, we have weekly calls. We'll design things here to just be made in China. The collaboration just goes back and forth, because why would you want to work in a silo? We all work together to get our best practices, whether it's design, manufacturing, or safety. If we work together, we're stronger.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I love seeing that, and I see the advantages in being interconnected like that.
Sam, appreciate you answering some questions. If anybody wants any additional info, all of our domains are listed here below. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.